How to download app on PS4. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download apps on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download apps on PS4, it's actually very simple to do so, because normally what you have to do is, if you have an Android, you download apps from your Android Play Store. If you have iOS, you download from Play Store, and if you have PS4 or your PlayStation, you have to download from your PlayStation Store. So your PlayStation Store is going to be located right on the homepage that looks like this. Make sure to just hit the X button on the controller, depending upon what kind of app you want to download. So PlayStation also has some of the apps that are available. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see games, deals, collections, and so on. So let's say I want to download Spotify, for example. I'll just hit the search button here. I'll go ahead and then simply type in Spotify from the list over here, as you would be able to find it. Once I simply go and search for Spotify, you should be able to see the Spotify app here, and over here you should be able to click on the application, and now you can simply go ahead and hit the download button over here in order to download the Spotify app or any of the other applications on your PlayStation. Once you download the app, you'll be able to successfully listen and open to them as well. This way you'll be able to download apps on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.